Located in Tulum, a few steps from South Tulum Beach, Coco Limited features accommodations with a restaurant, free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool and a bar. Featuring a garden. The 5-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The accommodations offers a 24-hour front desk, room service and organizing tours for guests. At the hotel, the rooms include a wardrobe. Guests at Coco Limited can enjoy a la carte or an American breakfast. The accommodations offers a terrace. Tulum Archaeological Site is 5.6 miles from Coco Limited, while Siziak is 1.5 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Cozumel International, 43 miles from the hotel, and the property offers a paid airport shuttle service. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.